Till now we finished how to create an account on GitHub. GitHub is a cloud platform where we can see all our files being stored and the version history, right? Now we have to move to the next level, which is Git. So whenever we are working on Python script or any project, our files are actually stored inside our laptops in a folder here. So any changes we make, the files are saved on the laptop and you can do all your trial and errors. Once that code is fixed, you feel this code is good enough, that is when we push the file from Git. Git means our laptop to GitHub. GitHub here means the cloud platform. Now we are going to install Git on this laptop. You just have to go to the search and search for terminal. So to check if Git installed in your laptop, git --version. It says requiring installation. So if we had it installed, you would actually get the Git version number here. Because we don't have it, we're going to go and install. So this is the code for GitHub installation, xcode install. I'll give all these in the description. So I need to accept this install request. Click on install, agree. It'll take some time. So finally we can see the software was installed. Done. Git version. See, now you can see the Git version. So now Git is officially installed. Now we have to do a configuration between the laptop and GitHub. The Git and GitHub has to be linked. So this is the code for the configuration. Git config -- global username. You guys can put your own usernames. Once that is done, so now we have to config email. So it is git config -- global username, your email ID, double quotes and enter. So the configuration of username and email is done. So using this command, we can actually check the username, and with this command git config global email, the user email will actually give you the email. So this way you know the Git is now linked to your GitHub. That's it, simple guys. So Git version to again check which version is running. That easy to install Git on your laptop. The next video is creating repository and linking your files on